In 2025, YouTube is changing how it checks video monetization. If your videos are AI made, hey YouTubers, here's a quick head ups. Starting July 15, 2025, YouTube is changing how it checks video monetization. If your videos are AI made, repetitive, or feel like they were mass produced with little effort, YouTube might stop your earnings. That means if you are just using stock videos, robot voices, making the same kind of content over and over, you could lose monetization. YouTube now wants real and creative content, something that shows your own style, your voice, or your ideas. So if you want to keep making money on YouTube, start making your videos more personal and unique. Share this with other creators who may not know. Let's help each other stay safe and grow. Thank you.